Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. When people think about startups, they usually focus on ideas, innovation, or marketing. But in practice, most startups fail not because of bad ideas, but because they mismanage their costs. If a startup does not clearly understand how much money it needs and where that money is going, it will eventually run out of cash. That is why smart cost planning is the first and most important step in building a viable startup. So, startup costing is the process of identifying, estimating, and organizing all the costs required to start and run a business. These costs might include setup costs, operating costs, and growth related costs. For example, registering the business, buying laptops, paying salaries, software subscriptions, marketing, office expenses are all the part of startup costing. Proper costing can help founders make realistic decisions and avoid financial surprises as well. To manage costs effectively, startups categorize them into different ways. So the first is fixed costs. Fixed costs are expenses that can do not charge with sales volume, such as rent, salaries, or internet subscriptions. Whereas variable costs, on the other hand, change with business activity, like advertising spend, delivery charges, the cost of the raw material. These all are included in the variable costs. Costs can also be classified on the basis of direct and indirect. So, direct costs are directly related to producing a product or delivering a service, such as production of a material or service delivery labor. Indirect costs, on the other hand, support overall operations, such as administration and utilities. This classification helps startup identify which costs can be controlled easily. Every startup has a unique cost structure depending on its business model. A service-based startup like a digital marketing agency mainly spends on employee salaries, software tools, and the marketing expenses. The product-based startup spends more on inventory, manufacturing, packaging, and its supply chain or otherwise logistics. Understanding the cost structure helps founders prioritize spending and how to optimize their operations as well. So, what is unit cost calculation? Unit cost tells us how much it costs to produce one product or otherwise deliver one service. The formula is simple, it's a total cost divided by the total units. For example, if a startup's monthly costs are around 2 lakh rupees and it serves 200 clients, the unit cost is 100 rupees per client. This number is critical because pricing below unit cost leads to losses. No matter how much sales are made, but it would lead to a loss. So startups often underestimate costs, ignore hidden expenses as well, and forget to include the founder's own salary as well. Another mistake is that they are not keeping a buffer for unexpected costs. Buffer can be 5%, 10% of the cost which has to be borne. To avoid these mistakes, startups should regularly review costs, maintain emergency reserves, and use conservative estimates as well. Smart costing can reduce financial stress and also increase the survival of the business as well.